Registration open. Session 2026 Karina 2027 Pao Khang registration open Salona Bame Mite to pre-nursery Karina class 9 Pao Khang Hillgrove Academy Co-ed Residential School Khonglong Village near National Highway 37 Manipur. Anaw may session kahau ni Mayrina 9th of February 2026 Karina kahau Hosteler daily study timetable Rina Lakwan Khong Charuk Karina Khong Tachat akat niting zintong Khong Pungu Karina Khong Charuk kay pigan kauhai Oza Pungu Rina Komna monitor sulopani Katni Khong Chanai Karina 7:30 kay pigan kauhai devotion led by chaplain 7:30 Karina 9:30 Pau Rina Oza Pungu Rina Komna study monitor sulodapani Interprofessional services Nungway Rina chaplain cum counselor akat consultant doctors kanai nursing staff akat nalopani kumna admission fees Rina kum session 2026 Karina 27 kang philanthropist Rina sponsor sulona free sulopani monthly fee structure Rina school fees hostel fees mess fees akat ni tuition fees kagway na kang hai 5,000 per month kumasalopani Qualified and experienced teachers every Saturday, school's Hindi speaking day, conducive study environment, peaceful campus with scenic beauty, no external disturbances in school academic calendar. All the teachers are residing in the school campus. Parents teachers meeting every after 2 months, affiliated to BOSSM. Managed by Alliance Study Group Delhi, backed by Swangdang Finance Investment. Mitong lam khau kaba kay nathai ni minun gwai rina tilaw na ba my contact number 9774361488 hamitay 7005838409 hamitay 908-954-3271 kauhai contact sulong na kumna alam lang no pani akat ni mitong admission help desk Renata Manglong Karina Lanjai Chung None Karina agui ka may akat ni Kushindang may Imphal Karina chamcham kumna kanyugoy tong tilaw na ba may contact number kauhai megay merina kumna alam lang no pani thon kute